Hey, it's Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing my planner setup, my catch-all planner setup for January of 2023. This cover is a older cover from the Happy Planner, and I have it on clear Happy Planner discs. First section is my undated daily pages. So I am using the Cocoa Daisy classic size inserts, but they don't come with daily pages, and which works for me because I have a older version of Plan to Create daily pages. Another place where you can find daily printable pages are Simply Trendy Co. She makes lovely daily pages. And then if you want a printed version, you can always look at places like Cloth and Paper. She makes some really beautiful daily pages as well. So if you're wanting the classic size Cocoa Daisy inserts, like the daily, like the weekly pages, and you like the inserts, but you're wishing that there were a daily page, consider maybe a printable or an undated daily as a companion. So over the last few months, I've been adding everything into a month section, and what I mean by that is that this divider is holding everything for the month of January. So all of my notes and things and lists and whatever are all right here. So I'm not flipping through other areas of my planner in order to find what I'm looking for. I also do have a 2022 Happy Planner monthly pages in here, which I redated using Passion Planner stickers. And then for February, I just redated the top so that I made this the Sunday instead of over here. And that allowed me to not have to redate the whole planner. So these are two options for you, all with just a few stickers. So these are 2022 inserts that I've just made for 2023. But that aside, everything I need for January is in this front section. So we have this divider from Nordic Skies, and then all my work content and lists and things are all right here. Different checklists. This is my 2022 memory planner checklist of weeks I still need to finish. Notes. And then this opens into the actual sort of, nope, just kidding. That's not that. Some notes pages. And then I have several undated planner inserts in here. These are Lights Planner Action, old Reset Girl, no longer available, and then fitness planner inserts are in here. And the reason I have them here is so that I can add them to weeks if I want to use them. I love the classic inserts from Cocoa Daisy, but sometimes I want maybe a little bit more minimalist design, and so I can just move these in if I want them. Dashboard for January using pocket pages, and this paper is from the planner kit. It's one of the fold out ones, and I've just backed it with one of the other papers so that it's a little bit more sturdy, if that makes sense, because there's a fold in it. And then I made a little grid page, like a mood board, using a page from the Maggie Holmes Freestyle Planner that has these gorgeous grid pages in it. And then on to my monthly. So here's my monthly. My monthly's pretty slim right now. I will add more things later. I did add these goal stickers from the planner add-on kit, which I thought were so cute, and just here they look like this. I added them here so that I can see them, but so that they're not just like, you have to do these things. These are just like things for me to consider doing throughout the month. Here's my first week of January, and all of the weeks, this is an old stencil from the Happy Planner. Again, not sure it's available. Every week looks like this, where I have this page in the middle of my insert. I have all of this basically replaces this like sidebar. So I have lots of room for lists, and then all of my like weekly items. And so here's a good example of what a week looks like set up, ready to go before the pen. So work, home, personal. This stamp set is an old stamp set from Kelly Stamps. And I've done the same thing, just set up the weeks. And so I have the whole week, whole month, other than I have not dated these pages. I do need to go in and date these pages. I couldn't decide which stickers I wanted to use, and I think I will continue with the planner add-on stickers to date these weeks. And go through the month, and that's it. And so the rest of this is like the rest of January. So a trick, if you do have some old Happy Planner 2022 inserts, is that May from 2022 works with January. So if you don't want to redate the weeklies, you could just pull inserts from May if you didn't use them, and then all you have to do is add a tab or a sticker up here to cover up the May section. So and this, the reason I even have these at all is this allows me to forward plan for the next few months, and then transfer that information to this page, which ultimately will it might end up on top of my memory planner pages. I haven't decided yet like how I probably won't do that, but I could. So that is a look at my setup in my Discbound planner. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.